All right, welcome to another course, Getting Data In. This one's going to focus on downloading and installing universal forwarders on both an Ubuntu instance, like we see here, unpacking that UF package, getting some command line navigation experience, and getting configuration files on the back end configured to make our data directed towards the indexes that we would like to have it received. Going to get comfortable in the bin directory in the CLI as well with starting and stopping Splunk services. We're going to configure receiving, so when the data is sent over, it's configured on our default listening port. We're also going to do a UF installation on a Windows instance. We're going to do it through the GUI, and we'll go through those configuration settings as well as our configuration files. We're going to do a little bit of PowerShelling for the same kind of CLI navigation that we saw on a Linux system, but on a Windows system. Again, getting some experience with the CLI on both Linux and Windows operating systems. We're also going to make our own data using Muckaroo, stick with some IT fields of IP addresses and domains, and we're also going to use the Splunk practice data. We're going to show you how to download and install it, configure it to work with your instance, and go over all the files that Splunk offers you to get familiar with practicing their tutorial data set. By the end, we're going to have all of these data types available to us, and you'll have plenty to leverage in your environment to work with.